Welcome back to Zik, the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay for premium on X. So the first thing you have to do is open up your X app, right? And make sure you have very good internet connection so that it will be fast. So this will be your homepage, and you click on your profile right above your screen. You can see where it says premium. Click on premium right there, and you can see there's basic, premium, and premium plus. So you can decide on which one to actually subscribe to. You can go through all the features it's going to come with. So you can see you can this post, longer posts, background video, playback video, download videos, and a lot of things where you can do it with this basic, which costs about 3,000 naira in Nigeria currency. That should be around $2 to $3, right? So the next one is the premium. You can see you can actually tag Grok in replies, and you can create articles, get paid to post, and the rest of that. And for the next one is the premium plus. That's the all the features is being locked, is being opened for this one. Then let's say you pick this first one, you click on that, and you're going to see this. So you click on subscribe and pay. Maybe you have not connected your card, you have to link your card to your Google Pay, so you can be able to see this just like mine. So once I click on subscribe, it's going to subscribe to X Premium. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.